City Circle.
Sa Quezon City Circle.
Opo.
Why? You like it there?
Opo. Dala-dala siya, no? Aska ni Ate Bel.
Okay.
Yung elephant.
Ay, show me the elephant again. How many candles?
3.
3. Are you sure you count the candles again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
7.
Very good.
Candles.
7 candles. What do you call this?
A toy.
No. This one? Yeah.
This a tail.
A tail.
This a toy in the box.
Where's the trunk of your elephant?
Ito.
Ayan. Where's the ears?
This.
Where's the legs?
This.
Ah.
Ito pa.
What's this one? You just put it there?
Mom.
Okay.
Hmm?
What's the elephant doing?
Drinking water.
Drinking water? Why?
Like Nicole.
Like you. Why is it drinking water?
Because it's sliding the ocean. During Nicole yung big slide.
Big slide? Sige nga.
Ito.
Yan
big
na.
slide. Ito big slide.
Kasya yung elephant doon?
Opo. Hindi. Mabig yung elephant.
Oo nga naman. Mabigat nga naman yung elephant. Kaya gulat ako. Bakit siya magsaslide?
Nagulat. Nagulat naman yung elephant. Tapos slide siya sa waterfall. Ito. Slide!
Ay, where's the eyes of the elephant?
This.
Oh, that one? Okay.
Yes. One eye and
One eye?
ear.
One eye and one ear. Isa lang kasi kaya ear.
The trunk.
Ay, yep. I know.
Two.
I don't know. You put it there.
There's a snail
A snail?
in the tree.
Oh, where's the tree?
Ito. Ay, drumming ako ng tree.
Sige nga. John.
I forgot.
You forgot?
A snail on the tree.
Oh, where's the tree?
This.
Where's the leaves of the tree and the branches? Wow. Is the elephant gonna... Oh, what's that?
And the down. Ta-da!
Oh, what's that? Wow.
A sky.
Oh, that's the sky? Where's the clouds?
Ito.
What's this one?
A sky.
That's the sky? Wow.
The sun is going.
It's the sun. Okay. Let's show mommy.
Let's show.
Mm-hmm. It's good, no? What is the elephant saying anything? Is the elephant saying anything? Or something? I'm sorry, something.
Apa? Ay, medyo ba ito? I forgot this.
What's that?
Ito.
What's that?
And triangle, circle, star, heart.
Okay.
Nakadikit yung heart. Nakadikit. Dikit. Tik, 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 tik.
You say, I'm proud of my work.
I'm proud in my work.
I'm proud of my work.
I'm proud in my work.
I'm
proud
of
of
my
my
work.
work.
Yes, this is your work. Your drawing.
I work.
Okay, very good naman si Nicole. Let's give Nicole a big round of applause.
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready for school?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's my bag?
Oh, pupunta ka na sa school.
Where's my bag? Where's my bag with my dad?
Hindi muna. Lambing-lambing ka muna bago ka pumunta ng school.